Hi, let me spend a few minutes walking through the requirements of the semester with you. A copy of the class syllabus is available in the Syllabus tab on the left side of this page, or the Modules tab, which shows you week by week the topics, lectures, and assignments. First, our textbook is available as a free digital text from the link shown here. It is part of the OpenStax project from Rice University. If you prefer a hard copy, it is available at the El Camino bookstore or at various online sites, including Amazon.com. Amazon, which cooperates with OpenStax, also has a softcover or paperback edition, so you can get one or the other, or just stick with the digital text, which is absolutely free. It is a very basic text, which I will supplement with my lectures and assignments. At the end of each chapter in this textbook, you will find a list of the concepts in the chapter, a summary of each part of the chapter, and multiple choice questions which you can use as a review for exams. Both the text and the lectures will be on the exams. As I mentioned, I will be supplementing the text, so in addition to assigned text readings, there will be PowerPoints, articles, or other materials, sometimes videos, to supplement the text. It is the same information as you have in the text. However, I may elaborate or give you examples to help make sense out of what you're reading. Some parts of the chapter may be taken out of order, so I may take a part of chapter 6 and put it with chapter 4 or something like that, just because in my mind it seems to be more logical. I'm sure you run into this with all instructors. There will also be discussions in which you will take part, so these will hopefully get you to use parts of the concepts or the concepts you find in the chapter by discussing it with other students in the class. There will also be a short essay or maybe a research project which you will use the concepts or some of the readings that we have been doing. I have divided the semester into 3 units. Here I have shown the dates of these units. In other words, weeks 1 through 6 is 1 unit. Weeks 7 through 11 will be another unit. Weeks 12 through 16 are the 3rd unit. Each unit will include assigned readings in the textbook, the lectures or PowerPoints that I do online, the discussions, which I just mentioned in the last slide, 1 short essay, and when I say short, I mean a maximum of 3 pages, so they are just short topics that you can work with. And at the end of each unit, there will be an exam. The exam will only cover the materials in that unit. There is not a cumulative final, which is a question that students often ask me. This slide shows you the points available for each of the assignments I just mentioned in the last slide. The total points for the semester are 300 points. Of these, 180 points are exams, which means the 3 exams are 60 points each. That would be 60 multiple choice questions. 45 points are discussions. They are 5 points each, and you'll have 3 discussions in each of the units. And 3 short essay or writing assignments for a total of 75 points, so they are 25 points each. More explanation of the writing assignments I'll be giving you in the assignments or modules tabs. Letter grades at the end of the semester are based on these points. If you have 90% of the points, or 270 up to 300, that would be an A. A letter grade of B would be points between 240, which is 80% of 300, and 269, just before the A level. I think you get the idea, but that is available on the syllabus if you want to take a look at that. And as you see, there are 2 makeup discussions for any 2 missed discussions. In other words, at the end of the semester, there will be a 10th and 11th discussion, so you can make up any 2 that you have missed. If you have not missed any, then you don't have to do those extra 2. There will also be 10 points of extra credit, which will be available at the end of the semester also. Exams will be multiple choice and true-false questions. Each exam will have 60 questions, each worth 1 point, for a total of 60 points for each exam. Going back to the last slide, 180 total for the 3 exams. Each exam covers the specific unit that you're working in. There is not a cumulative final. If you miss an exam, as things can happen during the semester, contact me immediately, and you can schedule a makeup during the week after the exam, but please do not wait longer than that. If you need to contact me for an exam makeup or any other concerns, just send me a note, either through the Canvas inbox on the left side of this page, or through my El Camino email, which I have given you here. Yes, I know it's confusing. I do go by my middle name, which is Sue, even though for legal purposes and all through the university, it says Frida. It's Frida Sue. So I have always gone for the last, can't tell you how many years, by my middle name, which is Sue. I do not have office hours on campus, but I do check my email and Canvas inbox daily, wherever I am, either in Southern California or Flagstaff, Arizona, or basically traveling around. I will let you know if I am ever out of touch for more than 1 day. And now, last but not least, what do I need from you? At the beginning of each semester, we are all determined to get an A in every class and are usually excited to get started. But as the semester goes along, we start to drag along and can become discouraged. Know that this happens to everyone, so don't feel you are the only one or alone in this. But do remember your commitment, staying loyal to what you said you were going to do, even if that first excited mood is no longer with you. Stick with it. Trust me, the semester does come to an end, and I have been in school for many more years than most of you, counting everything all together. So I do understand this. If you're having a very down time and just need to get reorganized, again, send a note to me and let me know, and I can help you to at least get reorganized in this class. Give your classes the time needed for each one. Develop a schedule. Stick to it as much as possible. Join a study group if that works for you, or hide away in the library if that works best. I usually am better alone rather than a study group, but it depends on you and what works for you. Everyone has a different way of studying and getting things done. Find yours. There are many resources on campus which can help you at different times of the semester. I have included a copy of these resources in the first announcement on the left side of this page. And now, to get you started on the actual content of the semester, go to lecture 2 for this first week. This lecture is What is Sociology, and basically introduces you to what we're going to be studying this semester. Ready? Hope so, and I'll be looking forward to working with you throughout the semester.